Are you dealing with stubborn fungal infections and looking for a natural solution? Today, I'm sharing a powerful homemade antifungal remedy using just 3 simple ingredients. This traditional recipe combines the natural antifungal properties of tea tree oil, clove oil, and coconut oil to help fight fungal infections effectively. Let me start by introducing the ingredients and explaining why they're so powerful. First, we have tea tree oil, which has been scientifically studied and shown to have powerful antifungal properties against various fungi. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern research supports its effectiveness. Next is clove oil, which contains eugenol, a compound known for its antimicrobial and antifungal effects. This spice has been valued for its medicinal properties throughout history. And finally, coconut oil, which isn't just a carrier oil. It actually contains caprylic acid, which also has natural antifungal properties while keeping your skin moisturized and healthy. Together, these 3 ingredients create a synergistic effect that's greater than each ingredient alone. Here's what you'll need: 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of virgin coconut oil as your base, 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, 5 drops of clove essential oil, and optionally, 5 drops of oregano oil for extra potency. All these ingredients are readily available at health stores or online. Making this remedy is incredibly simple. First, if your coconut oil is solid, gently melt it using a double boiler or warm water bath. Don't overheat it, you just want it liquid. Once melted, remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Now, add your essential oils: 10 drops of tea tree, 5 drops of clove, and if you're using it, 5 drops of oregano oil. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Transfer your mixture to a dark glass bottle with a tight lid. This will help preserve the oil's potency. Store it in a cool, dry place, and you're done. To use this remedy, clean and thoroughly dry the affected area first. This is crucial for effectiveness. Apply a small amount of the mixture to the area 2 to 3 times daily. Gently massage it in until absorbed. Consistency is key. Continue application for at least 2 weeks, even if symptoms improve earlier. Fungal infections can be stubborn, and stopping too soon may cause them to return. Before we continue, here are some important safety precautions. Always perform a patch test first. Apply a small drop on your inner wrist and wait 24 hours to check for any allergic reaction. Never apply this remedy to open wounds, mucous membranes, or near your eyes. Some mild tingling or warmth is normal, but if you experience severe burning or irritation, wash it off immediately and dilute the mixture with more coconut oil. This remedy is not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women without consulting a healthcare provider first. While many people find success with natural remedies, some fungal infections are more resistant and may require prescription antifungal medication for effective treatment. If you don't see improvement within 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use, or if your symptoms worsen at any time, please consult a healthcare professional or dermatologist. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health remedies. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.